Hey there, welcome to epicspeak, where I help you engage in better English conversation. Are you looking for the perfect word to help lift someone up during a tough time? Do you want to show your support and encouragement but don't know how to express it? In this video, we'll be exploring some advanced expressions that are sure to bring a smile to someone's face and give them the strength that they need to push through any challenges. Let's get started. The first expression is keep your chin up. Now, the expression keep your chin up is a phrase of encouragement. It's used to tell someone to be positive and maintain an optimistic attitude even during difficult or challenging times. This phrase is often used when someone is feeling down or defeated and you want to encourage them to stay positive. For example, if your friend is going through a breakup, you might say, keep your chin up. You'll find someone better soon. When you use phrases like these, you're letting them know that you're there for them and they should remain hopeful for the future. Another example could be if someone is feeling overwhelmed by their workload. A coworker might say, keep your chin up. You'll get through this. This provides encouragement and support, letting the person know that they can handle the situation. The second expression is when one door closes, another opens. And this expression means that when an opportunity ends or is taken away, a new one will present itself. It is a reminder that there is always hope for something new and better to come. It encourages people to be optimistic and to keep looking for new chances, even if things do not go as planned. This phrase suggests that endings can often lead to new beginnings and that every obstacle can be overcome with perseverance and a positive attitude. You can use this expression in real life situations like losing a job. When someone loses their job, it can feel like the end of the world. However, this can often be an opportunity to find a better job that aligns more with their skills and interests. Or when a relationship ends, it can be painful. However, it can also open up the door to new relationships and new experiences. If someone fails an exam, it may seem like the end of their academic career. However, it can also be an opportunity to learn from their mistakes and to work harder to achieve their goals. The next expression is it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world is a common expression used to reassure someone that a situation or an event, although disappointing or difficult, is not as catastrophic or life altering as it may seem. It can be overcome or dealt with. Essentially, we use this expression to provide comfort and encouragement in a time of difficulty. For example, if someone, your friend, doesn't get a job they applied for, you might say, it's not the end of the world, there will be other opportunities. Or if someone fails an exam, a teacher might say, it's not the end of the world, you can study harder and do better next time. So it's not the end of the world means everything is not over yet. If someone loses a sports game, a coach might say, it's not the end of the world. There's always another game to play. Overall, this expression is used to put things into perspective and to remind people that setbacks and failures are a normal part of life and there is always a chance to bounce back and improve. The next expression is hang in there. Hang in there. This is a supportive expression that encourages someone to persist and keep going through a difficult or challenging situation. You can use this expression to offer hope and comfort during a tough time and to let someone know that others or you yourself are rooting for them. For example, if a friend is going through a difficult time in their personal life, you might say, hang in there, I'm here for you. This lets them know that you care and you're willing to support them during their struggles. Another example could be if someone is facing a difficult project at work. A coworker might say, hang in there, you're doing great. This gives them the encouragement they need to keep pushing forward and to keep working towards their goals. So, this is an expression used to offer hope and support during difficult times and to let someone know that they are not alone in their struggles. The next expression that you could use is you got this or you can do this. So, you got this, you've got this, you can do this. All of these are phrases of encouragement and support, and they are used to tell someone that they have the ability, the capability to succeed in a task or situation. It's a way of showing confidence in somebody else's abilities and letting them know that you believe in them. For example, if someone is nervous about giving a presentation, a friend might say, you've got this. You've been practicing and you know this material. This gives the person the confidence they need to go ahead and deliver the presentation. Another example could be if someone is worried about a big exam. A teacher might say, you've got this. You've been studying and you've done well in the previous exams. This reassures the student that they have what it takes to do well on the exam. Overall, the expression "you've got this" is a way to offer encouragement and support during difficult or challenging times, and to let them know that you believe in their abilities. The next expression is "I got your back" or "I have got your back." This is a phrase of support and encouragement. And it's used to tell someone that you are there to support and protect them no matter what. The phrase is often used between friends or family members, and it is meant to provide comfort and security during difficult or challenging times. I've got your back means you can depend on me. I'm here for you. So when you say to a friend facing a difficult situation, I've got your back no matter what, you're letting that person know that they can count on your support and you will be there to help them through anything that comes their way. Another example could be if a coworker is facing a difficult challenge at work. A colleague might say, I got your back. I'm here to help. This provides support and encouragement, letting the person know that they are not alone and others are willing to help them succeed. The next expression is there is always light at the end of the tunnel. This expression is a common phrase that is used to offer hope and encouragement during difficult times, when times are tough or when they might seem bleak. This phrase is meant to remind someone that no matter how dark or challenging a situation might seem, there is always a brighter outcome waiting for them in the future. For example, if someone is going through a tough financial situation, a friend might say, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. You'll get through this and things will get better. This lets the person know that their friend is there for them. You're saying that they should remain hopeful for the future. Another example could be if someone is facing a difficult health issue, a doctor might say, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. You'll get the treatment you need and you'll get better. This provides encouragement and support, letting the person know that there is a brighter future ahead indeed. So, those are the expressions that you can use when a friend or a dear one is down, disappointed, and you want to encourage them. Which one's your favorite expression? Let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions or requests, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next one.